Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can add the horizontal scrolling in a Flutterflow UI. So for that we need to one container, and inside container we need to add a row layout. Now for first I set the container width. Suppose I add container width like 400, and the container left side padding I set here 200, and I also change container height, suppose 100. Okay, currently one row layout. Inside the row layout I want to add container. This container width must be 150, and I change its background color, and I duplicate this page, this container, and I change again its background for identify, and again I change here its background. So we have three child container elements. I again create one duplicate container. Now its color also I will change from the UI builder. So currently row layout has 4 elements, and container width is, we can see here, 400. Now I want to see all the child element. Now save the project, and we are going to browser for the install reload. Now project is started. Now we can see here key 4 child elements is overflow, but it is not scrollable. What happened here? Here 300 or 400 containers width, but each child container width is 150. So all the containers, all of 4 containers combined width is 600. So it is a overlap. So I want to put here horizontal scrolling. So now I going in a UI builder and select the row layout, and here one option scrollable. So first is not allowed to scrolling, and second option is allowed to scrolling. Now I select allow to scrolling and save the project, and going to browser for do instant reload, and we can see it is reflected or not. Now project is started. So now we can see that horizontal scrolling is working. So this way we can add scrolling in a row layout in a Flutterflow UI.